Hello students, we have completed of 10th standard algebras, linear equations into variables. In that we have completed first exercise. Now graphical method is there, that will take at the last as a graph is needed there. Now new topic, new term we are starting, that is determinant. In this, suppose four terms are there, A, B, C and D, then its value will be A into A minus B into C, in this way. So on the basis of this, to find the values of x and y, determinant method is there, that is called as Cramer's rule. Suppose a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 is the first equation, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is the second equation. Then x is equal to or here is for this Cramer's rule is d is equal to a1 a2 and b1 b2 dx c1 c2 and b1 b2 and dy a1 a2 and c1 c2. So x is equal to dx by d and y is equal to dy by d. In this way, this is a Cramer's rule. This you have to write in your notebook on page number 12. It is, they have solved actually these two equations by equalizing the coefficients, and they got the value of x, and then they have converted in this form, determinant form. Okay, so we will start the exercise. In that exercise practice set 1.3, first question is there, fill in the blanks. That is it is activity. So I'll write this 3 4 2 5 is equal to 3 into box minus box into 4 is equal to box minus 8 is equal to box. So put the values here, 3 into 5 and then 2 into 4 divided by the 15 minus 8 is 7. In the same way, second one, question number second is there. In that first, find the values they have told. So minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. You will get minus 4 minus 14, that is minus 18 in this way. Then comes the second one, 5 minus 7 and 3 and 0. Cross multiplication, minus in bracket minus 7 into 3. Here it will be 0, negative, negative, positive. 7 is a 21, and then here we get value as 21. Third is fraction type. I hope you are able to see. Yes, 7 by 3, 5 by 3, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Cross multiply, 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. Instead of simplifying directly, multiply, it will be easy to you. Then subtract, you will get minus 8 by 6. Convert this into simplest form, divide by 2 minus 4 by 3 you get. So in this way you can write in your notebook, or you can take a screenshot in this. Next comes question number 3, that is first question, and I will show how to solve or how to find the value of x and y. So here question number 3, first question, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Second is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Compare with the a1x plus b1y is equal to c. So you will get a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4 and c1 is equal to 10. In the same way, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 5. First of all, find d in this, a1 a2 b1 b2. Substitute the values here. 3, 4, minus 4 and 3. Cross multiply. 3 minus impact.
स्टोरेज पर मन वीडियो ऑलरेडी स्टॉप झाले
25.
कॅमेरा काम
These are 9. Positive 4, 4 is 16. So 9 plus 16 will be 25.
तो टेम्परेचर इज टू हार्ड टू यूज कॅमेरा
For dx c1 c2 and b1 b2 is there.
अर्ध चालले
So the values
स्टॉप झाले आणि ह्याच्या करून गुगल
cross multiply.
आपण हात लावून काय करणार एवढं व्हायचं
So you will get 13, you will get positive, you will get 50 here. The same
वेट
way
फॉर द
by
फोन कूल डाउन
a1 a2 c1 c2. Put the values here. 3,
नेक्स्ट स्कॅन करून करून
4 and 10 cross multiply.
झाले म्हणजे थोडा
15 and
म्हणजे झाले.
minus 40 you will get minus 25. Put the value of x dx by d. dx is here 50 and d is 25. You will get the value of 2. Y is equal to dy by d. dy is minus 25 and d is 25. You will get minus 1. Therefore 2 comma minus 1 is the solution
हा एवढं कसं
of the given equation. In this way, 6 questions are there. Remaining 5 questions are homework for you. You have to show me tomorrow, and then one question, that is question number 6, I will show you tomorrow, and then we will take next exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.